Hello, I was just sent this nail lamp, which is very portable, so it's great for when you're on the go. It comes with a device here, and it has a Type-C charger, so it's super easy and convenient to charge wherever you may be. You just hold down on the button, and you can go from a 20-second timer to a 60-second timer, just for your convenience. You would just hold it on your nail here, and having this portable device makes it really easy to control where you want the UV light to hit, and that's a really nice feature about it. It also comes with this stand here, so you can prop it up on your nails while you're painting or adding other stuff. And it has a 360 rotatable thing, so you can flip this around however you choose. This device has a 500 milliamp hour battery, which lasts for around 120 minutes, which is a really long time and plenty of time to do your nails. And then it has a Type-C charger, like I said, which makes it really convenient and easy to charge on the go wherever you may be. And it also allows you to flash cure your nails just real quick before you were to put them in an actual UV lamp, if that's how you choose to do your nails. It's just directing the light where you choose to go. You can prop it up on your stand here. And I'm very excited to use this device as a beginner nail artist.